Safety and production continuity are at the heart of all production processes. Manufacturing companies rely on reliable, high-quality technology to ensure that their installations are safe, while at the same time optimizing assembly, maintenance, and operating costs. With over 250,000 robots installed worldwide, the ABB Group leads the way in the field of industrial robots, satisfying the productivity and safety requirements of its customers. In addition, ABB's range of products also includes individual equipment components for robots to guarantee all-round quality and reliability. These include the innovative PMA XR90 multi-layer conduit, which provides cable protection for robotic and automation applications. Not only does it boast an extremely long service life, but it also shows users how much wear the conduit has already suffered. The PMA XR90 multi-layer conduit has a wear indicator consisting of 3 different colored, specially formulated polyamide layers. These indicate the extent of the wear which has occurred. The outer layer of the conduit is black. If wear occurs, the yellow layer appears. This allows further usage to be predicted and planned. If the conduit's red layer subsequently appears, a replacement can be arranged in good time. This keeps maintenance time and spare part storage costs at a suitably low level. With the PMA XR90 multi-layer conduit, machine downtime and spare part costs can be reduced to an absolute minimum.